Hey folks, welcome to a new and fantastic video of our channel Cool Gadgets. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 5 amazing mind-blowing gadgets which will give you goosebumps. To know about them, watch the full video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's start the video. First, DLink Home Camera. The DCS P600H Mini LED HD Wi-Fi camera is a compact wireless network camera suitable for day and night time environments. It features built-in night vision, motion and sound detection and a free mobile app so you can feel at ease when you are away from home. Versatile features that despite its small size, the DCS P6000H has all the features you need for monitoring your home. Onboard Wi-Fi provides extended range and higher bandwidth while still staying compatible with older wireless devices for smoother 720p HD video stream on any device. Built-in motion and sound detection will automatically send alert notification to your mobile devices. Nighttime monitoring is possible with the built-in infrared LED which allows for nighttime viewing up to 16 feet so you can relax knowing you have 24/7 monitoring of your home or small office. Using the mobile app with My DLink app and website, you have an easy and convenient way for you to look after your family or to monitor your home or office to stay up to date with notification and check in on those you love at any time. Second, Generic 360 Brush. Commodity Quality Certification 3C Commodity Quality Certification CE Size Automatic Ultrasonic Electric Toothbrush Material Silicon plus ABS Item Type Electric Toothbrush Quantity 1 Set Electric Toothbrush Model Number Age Group Adults Type Acoustic Wave Power Supply USB Charging Weight about 300 gram Age Group Adults Kids Young People Shape U-Type Clean Time 45 seconds Charging time only 90 minutes. It is available in colors white, black, pink, blue. It has 4 modes consist of soft, strong massage gum whitening. Its frequency are 5000 to 15,000 times per minute. Function with blue light and it is waterproof IP/7 supporting drop shipping and wholesale orders. Third, quads. With quad, simply locate everyone at a glance when you are in outdoor activities like hiking, skiing or climbing. The unique patented radio frequency protocol empowers the device a long-range reliable communication up to 3.7 miles. With its own powerful geographic information acquisition system, quad can exchange Go info among devices in the same team. To send messages at the same time, avoiding collides become a big challenge. Thanks to the in-house developed protocol, Quad can automatically sequence the signals and catch every detail as expected without missing a message. Designed to be wrist wearable, outfit, backpack and even dog leash attachable, Quad is ready for all kinds of adventures. Fourth, GoGo GPS. GoGo GPS can access over 30,000 global courses, supported in 35 different languages, reports in both audio and text, compatible with Android and iOS devices. Specification and features: Bluetooth 4.0.2, 802dp and AVRCP profiles, 8-ohm microscope speaker for rechargeable lithium polymer battery, recharge time about 1 hour from fully depleted, USB charging dongle included, approximately 5 18-hole rounds on full charge, micro USB port with water resistant and dust cover, entire unit water resistant, LED indicates unit on, ready to pair, charging, turns indicate unit on and off to when not connected to Bluetooth 11, multifunction button on side turns unit on off, pairs and gives distances to center of the green and or last shot. T button on the top advances to next or previous hole. To include clips will fit different application, glasses, caps, clothing, etc. Very small, light and weight and durable. Never have to guess distance again with GoGo GPS. This ingenious clip-on micro speaker connects to the companion GoGo GPS smartphone app to audibly give you the distance to the center, to the green and or your last shot. Fifth, Eureka Forbes. Giving you the dual benefits of high power suction and blower in one package, the Forbes Super Clean is ideal for daily cleaning needs. Thanks to the portable feature, the vacuum cleaner can be carried from one place to another conveniently for cleaning. 5-meter long power cord for feasible round and home cleaning. It can also clean your car. Lightweight, handy and portable with shoulder straps for easy use and dust cup for every dust disposal. Suction and blower function with 800 watt motor. Wide range of 7 accessories to suit varied cleaning needs. This is durable vacuum cleaner that works through an 800 watt powerful motor, thus ensuring unmatched performance every single time. Its airflow measures 14 liters per second.
So if you like our video, don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily updates.